It is said that a good infrastructure, particularly good roads, are the backbone of development, which also acts as a medium of connect to people traveling from one place to another. Bad roads impact everyone, especially those from far-off places into the vicinity of any town or city for medical treatment. In this regard, the pathetic condition of National Highway 44 connecting Jowai to Shillong as well as the roads within Jowai and Meghalaya has become a major cause of concern for the residents as well as visitors. Here's a report.
If one happens to travel to the National Highway 44 connecting Jowai to Shillong in Meghalaya, especially from Thadlaskin towards Mauringkning bypass, one can witness the numerous potholes on the entire highway. This pathetic road condition is proof of the substandard work, and a major cause of concern is the fact that huge trucks loaded with goods ply through this very road on a regular basis from Guwahati towards Silchar. Speaking exclusively to DD News Shillong, H. Mormon, a columnist, socialist and activist, expressed concern on the kind of road that is being constructed, which is not meant to be used by loaded heavy trucks.
The kind of road that the government is building are not all-weather roads. It looks like almost every year we have to repair the road. So if this is the way, then how can we manage our resources? So we cannot build road and then have to repair it every year. Because what we see now in Meghalaya, especially in West Jaintia, most of the roads which has been blacktop last year are now, they are now spoiled.
Not only the National Highway 44 but even the roads within the vicinity of Jowai town continue to remain in a sorry state. Every day one can see queues and queues of local taxis and private vehicles slowing down due to huge potholes on the road. This is not only affecting the people travelling on vehicles but also students who pass by the roadside on a regular basis. Speaking exclusively to DD News Shillong in this regard, O.R. Shalom, a senior citizen from Jowai town, expressed concern about the misplaced priority of the PWD pertaining to connectivity in the area.
But at present the condition of the road, it is in the very bad shape. The condition of the road. And now we have seen also a rumble strip was constructed almost in 2-3 part of the national highway near that damaged place. What is the logic behind that of constructing? The inside of Jowai town road condition also is horrible, but the public, they are simple, they simply keep silent.
Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.